it would have been interesting for a player like Cornerstone or Barito to buy NCB. It's good to see that Cornerstone is now in top 10.
Mm-hmm.
Who knows? Maybe there are some transactions that are significantly delayed but are lined up and so on. But I do think that Cornerstone could buy NCB. I mean, they don't have Barita doesn't have a commercial banking license.
Do they have that much money though?
Probably not. But you can find the capital somewhere, bro. You don't need to have it. You just need to find somebody that have it and get it on the good terms. Because if when you think about it, the lower this NCB stock price gets, the more attractive it looks for some external party that wants to buy it. So if this starts to trade at 40s, if this starts to trade at 30s, I wouldn't be surprised if you see, somebody coming in and taking over that company. Somebody starting to buy up a bunch of shares. Somebody probably approaches Michael Lee Chen and say, hey, I'd buy this from you at a premium.